So in the last class I have discussed what is an arbitrary property rules, okay, and how can we prove the height. If suppose in my tree that is an element, so what is height? Height is at most or less than equal to 2 into log base 2 n plus 1. Okay, 2 into log base 2 n plus 1, that is height. I have already proved. Now anyone can tell me what the rules, what the property of arbitrary? What the property of arbitrary? Anyone can tell me about coloring and all? Because in the insertion or the deletion, you have to remember all the property of arbitrary. That is, first is the root should always be black. Is it clear? Okay, root of the tree, root of the arbitrary is always black. Okay, and every nil node should be black. Okay, and third is there are no two adjacent red node. Okay, if suppose parent is red node, then both the children of the parent node should be black. Okay, because no two adjacent red node is allowed in the arbitrary. Okay, so it is called black children rule. The children of each red node all always be black. Okay, and what the black height? What is the black height? Black height means if suppose you will start from any node, then you have to count number of black node to the leaf node to the nil node. Okay, you have to count number of black node to the nil node. It is called black height of the rules. Okay, so now I will discuss what are the operations I can perform on the arbitrary. Okay, you have to remember all the operations can be performed in order of log n time. There are two operations, insertion and deletion. I can insert the element in the arbitrary and I can delete the element from arbitrary. Okay. Okay. So first of all, you should know that how can I rotate this? Left rotate, right rotate, left, right all. It is same as the ABL tree rotation. Whenever I will insert the element in the arbitrary, so I will check that it is balanced or not. I will discuss later. Okay, I think you all know what is ABL tree. How can I check the balance factor and how can I rotate this ABL tree? Okay, so suppose insert the new node. Insert the new node the way it is done in the binary search tree. Okay, whenever I will insert any new node in the arbitrary, okay, suppose there 5 and 6, you can see that. Okay, suppose there, one second, I will change the font. 5 and 6, I want to insert these element into my arbitrary. So first of all, I will insert the 5, then 6 will go in the right side of P, in the right side of 5. So 6 will go in the right side of P because I have to follow the property of binary search tree. Okay. So arbitrary, if suppose I want to insert any node in the arbitrary, so it will be done in the binary search tree. Okay. And very first node, that is the root node, should be black. After every root node, suppose I want to insert another node, so it should be red in the color, and the color the node red whenever you will insert the element in the arbitrary. Okay, you have to give color red, but root node should be black. Okay, if suppose I have an empty arbitrary, and I have to insert the element 5. Okay, so I will insert in the arbitrary 5. The color of that node is black. because the root node is black node. We know the property of arbitrary. Okay, so in this case you have to remember all this property of arbitrary about the coloring. So very first node, that is the root node, should be black. Whenever I will insert the element in next time, I will insert the node next time in the arbitrary. So in the starting you have to give color red. You have to give color red. Clear? Okay, and check the property of arbitrary. It will follow node. If not, then change the color accordingly. Okay. After inserting, you have to check the property of arbitrary about the coloring. If it will follow, then okay. Otherwise, you have to change the color accordingly. Okay. And you have to see that arbitrary is balanced or not. Actually, arbitrary is the balanced binary search tree. Arbitrary is that balanced binary search tree. Balanced means, and we can say that balanced BST is nothing but AVL tree. Okay. So if you want to insert any node in the arbitrary, so first of all you have to check, I will insert in the binary search tree fashion. I will insert the node in the according to binary search tree. Then you have to check about the coloring. Coloring is okay or not. Then you have to check it is balanced or not. If it is balanced, then fine, I can insert. But if it is unbalanced means I have to find the balance factor for each node. Like AVL tree, I have to find the balance factor for each node and apply rotation if it is needed. Okay. How can you find the balance factor? Balance factor, you know that it has covered in the AVL tree. You know already. How can we calculate the balance factor? Balance factor is equal to I have to find the height of the left subtree, left child, minus I have to find the height of the right subtree. It is called balance factor. Balance factor is height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. So I can find the balance factor from here. So now if the balance factor is -1, 0 or 1, okay. If the balance factor is, one second, I will write. If the balance factor is -1, 0 or 1, 0 or positive 1. Okay. If after finding the balance factor, that is height of left subtree minus height of right subtree, if the balance factor is -1, 0 or 1, then it is okay. It is balanced. You don't need to rotate. Okay. In this case, if the balance factor is -1, 0 or 1, then it is balanced. Then you don't need to rotate. But if the balance factor other than this, -1, 0 or 1, suppose 2, 3 like that. If the balance factor is -2, 3, 2 like that, other than this, it is unbalanced. So we have to rotate. Okay, we have to rotate. Rotation is left rotation, right rotation, all LR, left right rotation, right left rotation. Okay, if suppose LL, left rotation, so I have to apply right. LL means I have to apply rotation right rotation. If suppose right, I am getting in my tree after inserting the node right. So in this case you have to rotate left. Okay, if I am getting left right, so first of all you have to rotate left, then you have to rotate right. So first of all left, then right. If suppose I am getting right and left, so first you have to rotate right, then you have to rotate left. Okay, like AVL tree, same as AVL tree. Okay. For example, if suppose I want to insert 10, then 9 and then 8. Okay. I have to insert according to I have to insert according to binary search tree. 9 is smaller than 10, so I will insert in the left side. 8 is smaller than 9, so I will insert in the left side of 9. Okay, so I have to follow the property of binary search tree also. Now I will check that it is balanced or not. I will check it is balanced or not. So first of all, I will find the balance factor of the leaf node 8. Okay. What is this? Height of left subtree, that is 0. Nothing node. Height of right subtree, that is 0. Okay. So 0 minus 0, that is 0. Leaf node balance factor is 0. Now I will calculate the 9. 9 means height of the left subtree. Height is, that is 1. Okay, that is 1. 9, that is height of the left subtree. That is only one node. So 1 minus 0 because nothing in the right side. So 1 minus 0, that is plus 1. It is also fine. No problems. Now I will go to the 10. Okay, 10. 10 you have to consider it is 1, then height of the left subtree, that is 1 and 2. Okay, height of the left subtree, that is 1 and 2. So 2 minus height of the right side, 2 minus 0, that is 2 plus 2. So now 0, no problems, plus 1, no problem, but the on the root node I am getting plus 2. It is the problem. Now height is unbalanced. Okay, if height is unbalanced, after finding the balance factor, that is plus 2, but the balance factor should be minus 1, 0 or 1. Okay, so if I am getting balance factor is plus 2, it is unbalanced. So left and left, because of left side, I am getting the unbalanced tree. Okay, because I am inserting in the left side na, I will go from bottom to top. So left and left. Because of inserting left, I am getting the problems. It is unbalanced. So left and left. It is LL notation. Okay, it is LL rotation. So I have to apply right rotation. So now 8, 9, 10. I have to apply right rotation. So 10 will come in the right side of 9, 8 will come in the left side of 8. Okay. So I have to fix 9. I have to fix 9 and then rotate in the right side. Okay. Right rotation. So I have to fix 9, then 10 will come, 10 from here will come here. Okay, in the right side of 8, 10. It is the right side rotation. So 9, 8, 10. Is it clear to all? Tell me yes or no. Till here, is it clear? You know already how can we rotate, how can we branch factor in the ABL tree, but just I am revising the concept. सबको क्लियर हुआ है? Is it clear for everyone? बोलो. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी देखो, अभी मैंने क्या 11 किया इंसर्ट, 11 इंसर्ट किया, उसके बाद मैंने 12 इंसर्ट किया, उसके बाद मैंने 13 इंसर्ट किया. So I will insert based on the BST, binary search tree, because 12 is the greater than 11, 13 is the greater than 12. So I will insert according to the BST, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So now I will check here balance factor. Balance factor I will check here. 13. Height of the left side 0, height of the right side 0. It is 0. 12. Height of the left subtree, that is 0, minus height of the right subtree, that is only one height. So 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Now 11. So height of the left subtree, that is 0 minus 2. So it is unbalanced on 11 node. Okay. So now because of right, because of right and right, I am getting unbalanced tree because of right. So I have to left rotate. In this case, I have to fix 12. I have to fix 12 and I have to rotate in the left side. So 11 will come in the left side of 12. So 12 left side 11, right side 13. Okay. Clear? Now page number 3. That is 13. First I will insert 13, no problems. Then 10, no problems. Actually, after inserting every node in the tree, listen carefully. After inserting every node in the tree, you have to check it is balanced or not. At every step, you have to check it is balanced or not. So first I will insert 13. No problems because 0 balance factor. Then I will insert 10. No problems because 0 and 1. But if I will insert 11 at the right side of 10, so now again I will find the balance factor. 11 is 0 balance factor. Now 10 is height of the left side, that is 0 minus 1. Minus 1 is still no problem, is balanced. But now I will check the 13. I will check the 13. Height of the left subtree, that is 1 and 1, that is 2, minus height of the right subtree minus 0. No one is there. So 2 minus 0, that is 2. Okay. So plus 2 height. Plus 2 is a balance factor. It is unbalanced. So I have to rotate. So because of left and then right. Okay. Because of left and then right side, I am getting the tree is unbalanced. So I have to apply L, that is the LR, because of LR, left, right, and the problems. It is left, right, and the problems. Left, right, problems. So in the left, right, you have to apply first of all left, then right. Okay. In the left, right, you are getting trees unbalanced because of left and then right side. So in this case, if you are getting LR, so in this case you have to apply first left and then right rotation. Okay. So first left, I have to fix 10. I have to fix 10, then 11 will go here and then 10 will come here in the left side. So 13 is fixed. Now 10, you have to keep 10. 11 will go here in the left side. 11 will go here, then 10 will come here. Now I am getting left. I am getting left, LL. So in this case, you have to apply right rotation. Okay. So basically in the LR, first of all, you have to apply left and then you have to apply right. Okay. Then right. So I have to fix 11 and then 13 will come in the right side of 11. 13 will come here, 10 will come here. Okay, now it is balanced. You can check that now it is for the property of BST also 10 less than 11 and 13 greater than 11. It is for the property of BST also and it is balanced also. Okay. In the case number 4, if suppose I will insert 14, no problems. I have to insert 17. 17 will go on the right side of 14. Still no problems because 0 and the minus 1. But if I will insert the 15, 15 will come in the left side of 17. So now I will calculate the balance factor, that is 0 plus 1 minus 2. Okay, 0 plus 1 minus 2 balance factor. You know that. How can we calculate this? Okay, it is 0 plus 1 and minus 2. Now because of right, because of left, I am inserting in the right, I am inserting in the left. So because of RL, first of all, I have to rotate right and then I have to rotate left. Okay. If I am getting RL, so first of all you have to rotate right side and then you have to rotate left side. Okay. So I have to fix 17, then 15 will go in the right side. 15 will go in the here, 17 will come here. Okay, so 15 will go here. Now 15 and the 17. So I am getting right. So now left. So basically in the RL, first of all you have to apply right and then you have to apply left. Okay, so 14, 15, 17. So left. 15 fix, 14 will come here and then 17 will come here, the right side. Any problems in this case? In all 4 cases, any problems? Because it is very important for a inserting or the deleting element from arbitrary. It is very important. You should know this. How can we rotate? How can we balance factor in the arbitrary? It is same like that arbitrary. Nothing difference. The main difference, the only minor in the ability and the in the arbitrary, only minor difference is you have to check the color also. You have to follow the property of color also in the arbitrary. Otherwise, both are same. Tell me, any problems? सबको समझ आ गया रोटेशन? Say yes or no. सबको समझ आ गया? Then I will go to the question. One second. I think question is here. Read the question carefully. Show the arbitrary that result after successfully inserting the keys 41, 38, 31, 12, 19, 8. Okay. Show the arbitrary that result after successfully inserting the keys 41, 38, 30, 31, 12, 19, 8 into an empty arbitrary. Okay. सो क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि हमको एम्प्टी बाइनरी ट्री में ये 41, 38, 31, 12, 19, 8 वन बाय वन इंसर्ट करने हैं, वन बाय वन इंसर्ट करने हैं, ठीक है, आर्बिट्री में। क्वेश्चन ये है, इज इट फाइन? सो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I will insert the 41. I will insert the 41. 41 is the root node. Root node is what the color of the root node should be black. You know what the property of arbitrary. Okay. So just here in the arbitrary you have to see that color and balanced binary search tree. Only two things. You have to check that at every step. So first of all you will insert the 41. It is the root node, so it should be black. Okay. Then insert 38. According to the BST, binary search tree, 38 will come in the left side of 41. Okay. So I told you whenever you will insert the node except the root node, except the first node, the color of the node should be red. Okay. So the color of the node is black, red node. Okay. So 38 will come here, 41 will come here. Now you can see that it is balanced or not. It is balanced because 38 left side 0, right side 0. It is 0 balance factor. 41 is balance factor is +1. Okay, height of the left subtree that is 1. Height of the right subtree that is 0. So 1. So it is still balanced. No problems. Okay. If I will insert the next element, insert is 31. So black, red, red. Okay, you know that whenever I will insert the node except the first node, that is root node, should be red node. Okay, so in the left side of 38, 31 will be inserted, but the red node, we know that the property two red node should be adjacent. Okay, so I will change the color red to black. In this case, I will change the color red to black. Are you getting? So root is black, and then this is red node. This is the black node because I was getting two red node are adjacent. Okay, but you know the property of black child rule. Every red node has the children. Both are black. So it is the black. I have to change the color. Black node. Then you have to check it is balanced or not. It is 0 balance factor, +1 balance factor, +2 balance factor. Okay, it is 0 +1 +2 balance factor. Like so now you know that it is LL. So you have to apply right rotation. I am getting LL. Okay, because of L I was getting the +2, that is unbalanced. So LL, in this case you have to apply right. So I have to fix 38, then 38, 31, 41. Okay, accordingly you can adjust the color. Color is not a problem. So you can adjust the color. if you remember all the property of arbitrary, you can adjust the color of arbitrary node. Okay. So now if I will insert the 12. I will insert the 12. So 12 will come in the left side of 31. Correct. So 12 will go in the left side of 31. 12 will come here, 31, 30, 32. Now I will check the balance factor. It is 0. Balance factor, that is plus 1. It is 0, and here 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, so still it is balanced. Still it is balanced. No need to rotate. If I will insert 19, okay, if I will insert 19, you can see that if I will insert 19, okay, so 19 will come in the right side of 12, in the right side of 12. So now you can check that balance factor 0 minus 1 plus 2. Okay, plus 2 I am getting here only, so you don't need to go there up, because I am getting 3 is unbalanced in between, that is 0 minus 1 plus 2. So I will stop here. I will not go there up to there. Okay, whenever I will get the balance factor is minus 1, except the minus 1, 0 plus 1. So I will stop here, and then I will apply here rotation also. Okay, I will not check the 31, because here only you are getting trees unbalanced. So first of all I will have to apply the rotation. So because of left and right, it is LR. So first of all I have to rotate left, then I have to rotate right side. So left means 19 will go here in the place of 12, and then 12 will come in the left side of 19. So 19 will come here, 31 is fixed, 19 and 31, it is LL. So now you have to apply right. So 38 is fixed, 38, 41 fixed, so 19 will come in the right side of 31, will come in the right side of 19, then 12. Okay, now it is balanced. You can check that. Now it is balanced. 0, 0, 0, and then 1 and 2. 2 minus 1. 1, it is 0. So now it is balanced. Okay. So now as the last element, last node, you have to insert 8 in the arbitrary. 8. Okay. So it is 38, 19, 12, 31, 8. Okay. So now I will check the balance factor. 8 is 0 balance factor. 12 is 1 minus 0, 1. 19 is 1 and 2. Height is left and minus height is right. So 19 is 1 and 2 minus 1. 1. 31 is still no problems. But if I will calculate the balance factor on the root node, 30 node, that is 1, 2, 3. Maximum height you have to take. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, that is right side 1. 3 minus 1 plus 2. So it is unbalanced. So because of left, okay, so because of left, so I have to rotate in the right side. So now 30 will come in the right side of the 19, 19, 12, 8, 38, 31, 41. Now it is tree is balanced. Okay, now tree is balanced. You can see that. Okay, so अभी तुम्हारे लिए एक क्वेश्चन है. You can note down the question. Okay, theory is same. Show arbitrary that result after successfully inserting the keys 5, 10, 15 and 25, 20 and 10. You can note down the question. Tomorrow I will ask the answer. Okay, the keys 5, 10, 15 and 25, 20 and 30. You have to insert in the empty arbitrary. Okay, I have discussed the rule. I have discussed the rule. Okay, like balance factor and arbitrary. So you will have to do that question. ठीक है, इसे कर सकते हो क्वेश्चन को. नो, I will stop the class.